How to go back to your old Outlook. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go back to your old Outlook. If you want to revert to the classic version of your Outlook, first of all, you will need to open your Outlook application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once after logging into your account, here at the top left, you'll be able to see these three options: Home, View and Help. Click on this Help tab. You'll be able to see various options at the bottom of this Help option. Here at the end, you'll be able to see this option, Go to Classic Outlook. Now you just simply need to click on this option, and by doing so, it will restart the Outlook, and then you'll be able to revert back to your classic version of Outlook. You may also restart your Outlook in order to see the classic view. So by following these steps, you should be able to revert or go back to your old Outlook. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.